Tasty Gain Creatine Gummies. Oh, they smell really good. Let me show you what they look like because it's really probably what you care about. You can see the size of them. They taste like a gummy bear, right? They got a sugar coating on the outside, which I'm not super excited about, but you know, every once in a while, it's nice to take your creatine in this form. If you're out or whatever, just a treat. Sometimes I don't take the powdered, I'll take this instead. Just to get your creatine in. Each gummy is 1 gram of creatine, so people usually take 3 to 5 grams. Whatever you take. If you need to take, if you take 3 grams, you would take 3 gummies a day. This is made in USA. It's gluten-free, gelatin-free, and it's vegan and halal. Strawberry Creamsicle. Tastes like a strawberry creamsicle, honestly. 90 gummies are coming here, 30 servings, depending on how many you take. Obviously, if you take more, you'll have less servings. So yeah, really, really good. I'll kind of show you the back here. I think this is important just to be able to see, you know, how much sugar is in there, you know, the different nutrient facts. But yeah, they taste good. I like them. It's a good treat just to give yourself, you know, an afternoon if you want to get something in. It's not terrible. They taste good. They are tasty gains.